On this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips, we're going to be talking about why eyewear is an essential PPE. So stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. Thank you for being part of another Warehouse Safety Tips. On this episode, what we're going to be talking about is eyewear and why it's so absolutely important to always use it as an essential PPE, a personal protection equipment. When bosses are around or when management's walking around, it's something that a lot of people will, all of a sudden put on, but it's in the times that you are not doing it because they're not around, or you're taking something off to wipe off the sweat or the fog off of your glasses, or you just decide that you're in an area where it's not comfortable. That's where safety all of a sudden takes a quick aside and issues can happen. So make sure that you are always using your safety glasses, because it's going to be the things that are going to be flying debris, environmental things happening, things coming off of machines, someone dropping something and things flying through the air. There's just always something that's prevalent in workplace issues that can happen with eyesight. And we want to make sure that you're using the proper eyewear. Always make sure that you follow the guidelines of your facility, but just know that it's in those moments where you say, I've done it 1,000 times and nothing has happened, that danger strikes. So make sure that no matter when, it's the things that you do when no one's looking that are going to keep you safe in your facility, and know that it's just something that even though sometimes it may not be comfortable, it's absolutely vital. You only get two eyes, and we want to make sure that you keep them safe and that you come home safe and able to see your family. So thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. And until we talk to you next time, here's a word from one of our sponsors.
It's scientifically unexplainable. It's virtually indestructible. And it's taking over the entire planet. But in a really good way. It's Mighty Line Floor Tape, the most durable floor tape in the world. 7 times thicker than average floor tape, beveled to endure pounding warehouse traffic, and backed with a super strong peel and stick adhesive, so you'll never have to worry about painting shop floors again. Mighty Line Floor Tape, the only durable stripe.